Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The police report to them find back the 3 women who get taken Monday. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, said them worry about some things where them want the government to look on before face-to-face class start back Monday in a certain school. The St. Elizabeth Police said them want people who sell drinks and liquor for them look out for 1 woman and 2 men who pose as promoters. 1 man dead and 3 others get hurt after an accident going on the Richmond Main Road in Manchester Monday. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican to hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full story them. The police report said them find back the 3 women who get taken Monday. The 3 women get taken from different spots by some man who did a travel in a 1 Toyota Probox with a van red plate. The first woman get taken in a Bull Bay, the second woman get taken in the Papine area, and the third woman get taken at UWI campus. 2 of the women get let go yesterday around 7:30 in the morning near the Kingston Public Hospital, and the third woman get let go in a Donny Park area. 1 of the women did have to go hospital. The police them from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch CTAC and the Kingston East and the St. Andrews Central are looking at Wagwan. The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, said them worry about some things where them want the government to look on before face-to-face class start back Monday in a certain school. According to Winston Smith, who are the president for the JTA, some of the school them need some things to follow the COVID-19 rule them. Him said the school them need some sanitizer, mask, glove and thermometer. Plus them need more people for clean the school them. 376 primary school are going to open back on November 8th. The St. Elizabeth Police said them want people who sell drinks and liquor for them on the lookout for 1 woman and 2 men who pose as promoters. Them said the 3 people them take goods from consignment and not pay for them. The police said the woman who are 32 years old and she come from Kingston, and the police want her in another parish like a St. Mary, Westmoreland, St. Anne and Hanover. Plus, the St. Andrew Parish Court did put out 1 bench warrant for her after she jump bail after she get charged for fraud and for take people goods and the pay for. On top of that, the police said the woman and the 2 men normally travel in a 1 Nissan AD wagon or Toyota Probox. On October 1st, the 3 Smaddy rob 1 business place at over $571,000 worth of liquor. 1 man dead and 3 others get hurt after an accident going on the Richmond Main Road in Manchester Monday. The dead man, a 26 years old Jaheem Reed, who come from Chudley Housing Scheme in the parish. According to the police report, the underfit car did a drive on the road around 11:15 p.m. when the car get up from the driver and crashing around wall and turn over. People call the police and them rush to the 4 people go hospital where he dead. The other people them still in a hospital. 2 sisters get found dead in a 1 house in a Old Harbour St. Catherine yesterday morning. The dead woman them are Christine Lewis and Lola Lewis. Them are aged 76 and 69 years old and them throat did cut. 1 of the dead woman are 1 one-time teacher and the other woman did a 1 justice of the peace. The police said the woman them get killed between Saturday and Sunday. The house look like it did search up. According to Randy Finnegan, who are the Community Development Officer for the Spring Village Development Foundation, the community shocked about the killing of the 2 women. Him said them things that not happen in them community and people did like and rate the woman them. Now for sports. It now look like the West Indies are going to left the group stage at the ICC T20 World Cup after South Africa beat Bangladesh by 6 wickets in Abu Dhabi yesterday. This makes South Africa move to 2nd in the group on 6 points and England upon 8 points and lead the group. England and South Africa are going to play next. If South Africa win the game there, West Indies are going to get kicked out or if they win them next 2 matches. West Indies are going to play Sri Lanka on Thursday and Australia on Saturday. People, remember the curfew from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in a the Jamaican language.